Al-Mustawrid ibn Shaddad radiyallahu anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, this world, i.e. its pleasures and duration, in comparison with the hereafter is similar to the amount of water one gets when he puts his finger in the sea. Let him then see what it returns with.
So the dunya compared to the akhirah is like a person putting his finger into the river. What he comes out from that river? Nothing. A drop. What is a drop going to affect? Okay? So the same here thing regarding the comparison. The Prophet ﷺ is giving us example. Good to give examples so that people can think. The parables really make the person, help him to think what is the difference between the hereafter, the Jannah, and between the dunya. So the dunya regarding the akhirah is like this. It's just hardly have any water, and that drop we're not going to even be minimum. It's going to be decreasing, that sort of river. The dunya should not be deceiving the person who's got common sense, but it's only a deception for the person who's ignorant and the person who does not pay attention. And the hereafter basically is the one that's going to last. As for the dunya, mata'u dunya, ghurur, is deception.